This is the Game of Thrones door that is here in Ballygally Castle. And this is the dining hall. I'm having a cup of tea. So breakfast was really good. We had like eggs and bacon and ham and tea and a really good fresh pressed apple juice from McCann's, I think was what it was called. And it is supposed to be like 45 degrees and raining all day. And we are going to the Antrim coast and we hope it's not too foggy. I don't really have rain gear. I have an umbrella, so this is going to be interesting, but yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, this wee village we're just starting to come into now is called Waterfoot. It's simply got its name, water at the foot of the glens. Now this is the start of the village. We'll take a wee drive through the fields here, well not through the fields, literally, and make our way into the main part of the wee village. Now when we go through here, we've had a few issues in the past coming through this wee part of the village. It's all down to one woman. She's called Mrs. Gray, and she lives at number 37 on the left hand side as we're going through. Now the issue is, she sits in her bedroom window every day, looking out, waiting on the buses and coaches coming through, and then she will telephone through each company as and when it comes through, rings through to the office and goes, "Oh, I saw Stuart, he was driving too fast through Waterfoot. You're going to have to tell him to slow down, someone's going to get killed." So this woman does this every single day. She's nothing better to do with her life. She should buy herself a TV and stop looking out the window and being a nosy old woman. So actually I was in Spain last July for southern Spain, Benidorm, for 3 weeks. She rang in 4 days while I was on holiday to say I was driving too fast through the village. This is how much this woman has it in for me. So yeah, she's got a grudge and I don't know why. So it's actually a 30-mile-an-hour zone. I'm going to drop down to about 25 at the minute. So what I like to do when I pass her house is just give her a wee wave, and it winds her up. Because you can't say I've been driving too fast, because we have trackers on the buses. They know exactly how fast I've been driving. So we'll all wave at her. That'll even wind her up even more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is the house with the blue windowsills on the left-hand side here. Top right bedroom window. There she is. Give her a wee wave. Yeah, got yous again. Yeah, that's just an old painting. Which is there every single day.